Welcome back. I'm Chris Shem with That Griller Guy, where everything is crafted over coals, guided by fire, and served with a pour of bourbon. Thanks for joining us tonight. You know what tonight is? It's Gaucho Taco Night on the Prokan Santa Maria style grill. The thing I love about this grill is it allows us to do everything all at once. From our pineapple roasting above, to our skirt steak, our smoked sausage, and if you would look below and by the coals, pinto beans cooking. Everything ready to go, everything cooked at once, and boy is it fun. Now, let's get cooking. All right, for today's cook, we're going dual fuel. I'm talking cutting edge firewood, apple chunks. I'm gonna line it with 4 chunks on the bottom. I have some hardwood lump charcoal that I have going in my chimney starter. We're gonna dump that over the top and get these coals going hot and fast. All right, we got our coals moved over to the cooking area. I have my grate lower down nice and low. What I'm gonna do is quick give this pineapple a quick sear on the outside. We'll start that caramelization process with the natural sugars in the pineapple before we hang it above the rest of the food as it cooks. All right, the caramelization has started on the pineapple. We're gonna take it off, put it on the S-hooks to get it hanging. The S-hook just inserts right into it. Lift it up, and there we go. What this is going to do is allow us to get some of those juices on everything as it cooks, giving it that extra level of flavor. All right, for taco night, there's only one choice for steak, and that's skirt steak. This full outside skirt steak from Double R Ranch by Snake River Farms is packed with flavor, will cook hot and fast over this live fire, and make for the most flavorful tacos. Now it's time to start putting the proteins on. I have our smoked sausages here. I skewered them all together as one unit. This will allow us to cook them on the Prokan over the live fire nice and easily, but also give us that efficient way to flip them. All right, our skirt steaks just hit the grill now. I'm gonna season them with some of my signature Champ's Choice seasoning. It's a Birria style seasoning. It's got great flavors, chilies that are really gonna play off of everything we have going on here. So I'm just gonna slide over my pineapple. And we're gonna season these pretty liberally. It'll stick to it as that meat continues to caramelize and sear. Slide our pineapple back over so it gets a little bit of that extra flavor as it cooks. And we'll be good to go in no time. Now, we gotta start thinking about our sides. All right, taco night is not complete without beans. We have our cast iron skillet down by the coals cooking with our jalapenos and onions in it. I'm gonna add some pinto beans, top that off with some chicken broth and a little bit more of my Champ's Choice seasoning to just give it that extra pop of flavor. All right, our protein's done and off the grill. Now it's time to just toast up these tortillas a little bit. We're gonna put them right over the fire, let them warm up. I'll flip them after about 10 seconds or so just to get a nice warm tortilla. And then it's time to build the tacos. All right, my taco is finished. Well, almost. I got the meat, I got the cheese, I got the avocado, I got the cilantro. You know what I'm missing? A little slice of that pineapple. So you come over here, slice you off a little bit of that pineapple, and right on that taco to finish it off, guys. Here you go. Gaucho Taco Night, Prokan Santa Maria style grill. Smoky, little bit of heat from the Champ's Choice seasoning. The avocado gives a creaminess, and then that pineapple, just that sweetness, balances everything out. What a perfect taco that the whole family will sure to love. All right, once again, guys, I'm Chris Shen with That Griller Guy. Keep that fire lit and those pours steady. Until next time.